Oh, hello. This is Colin from Blackjack Apprenticeship, and we're in Las Vegas right now running a Blackjack Bootcamp. So yesterday was the first day, and we spent a lot of time talking about expected value, how to maximize it as a card counter in the casino. We spent several sessions dealing to players and finding every weakness in their game so they could fix it and become a profitable card counter. We had guest talks from 6 and even 7-figure card counters who shared what it takes to make a profit either professionally or as a hobbyist as a card counter. Today we're going to dive even deeper into blackjack. We're going to talk about advanced blackjack tactics, advanced bet spreads, bankroll management, and we're going to talk about things even beyond card counting, all sorts of ways to beat the casino and take money. We're going to be doing personal evaluations for all 20 boot campers attending, if they need to fix anything, and what it's going to take to start crushing casinos at blackjack.
I thought that my game was good prior to coming, but I had no way of knowing.
The boot camp is really just eye-opening how much it breaks down blackjack as a whole.
It was just great meeting all the people there. There's so much more to the game than just learning how to play it, so having that other valuable information at first, definitely important for anybody looking to make sure their skills are where they need to be.
Camp not only teaches you techniques to make more money in the casino, but also it provides connections to other advantaged players that it's extremely hard to find.
I've been counting cards full time for a little over 2 years. If I could have gone to a boot camp earlier, probably would have sped things up.
I started with $5,000 and have now grown that to $300,000 thanks to Colin's boot camp and training. And in fact, that's ultimately all I needed.
Honestly, if you're on the fence, just do it. This is the best investment you'll ever make in your life.
Our next boot camp is going to be August 10th, 11th here in Vegas. If you have any questions or want to learn more, go to blackjackapprenticeship.com/bootcamp.